Hey guys, so just wanted to show you this new ultra thin bath mat that I've got. I have been struggling because the rugs that I've had always catch on this door because this door really was not made probably correctly for where the flooring is at. It's just not a lot of space below it. So I was really hoping that this would work. This has like this rubber sort of underside feeling to it, really soft on top. Feels like it's going to be really comfortable to step on, but I like that it's got the rubber too because it's not going to move around a lot, especially because it looks like the doors are going to go over it. So let's try it out. You can see how the door right now is like caught on that rug, but look, it's going over the other one. Ah, I'm so excited. Finally, I don't have to move a rug out of the way all the time. That is pretty cool. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like this a lot. Looks really nice.